Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will look at the two modes of connection in Tableau. Now I'm connecting it to new data source, live and extract. This is the data preview. In case of live, what happens? You are going to have the direct connection with the data in the data source. Okay, latest data will be present here. If I create the report ID and then okay, something like this. What are the disadvantages? First thing is you will be having the latest data. How will I get to know that I'm having the live connection? If you check here under data, this one check is for the live connection. Okay, when we see the extract, we'll see how extract will look like. What are the disadvantages? The moment we are connected to the live connection, definitely there will be a network delay. Okay, performance could be slow. Prerequisite for this is server should be up and running, because live connection means you're connecting to some database. So for that, the servers should be up and running, and then you should be having good internet connectivity. Okay, otherwise it becomes very difficult to work with the live connection. Every click takes 1 or 2 minutes, because if it is very slow, like the moment you drag and drop, the data gets updated, right? So it takes time in case if you are running with the very slow internet connection. For example, what we do, we will just delete these records. I wanted to delete all. One second. Okay. Now I have deleted the records from 10 to 13. I think 13. Let's check. Yeah, till 13 I have deleted the records. Now I will save this. Go back. Now that data is saved, but it is not reflecting here, right? That is what we said. We will be having the latest data. It is not. That is not the case. Let's save. Live and then desktop. Okay, let's close this. Windows D. Here is the file. Can you see this? The moment you close and open, if you keep interacting, that is when the data will be updated. Or there is one more way. Actually, you can refresh here. So even in this case, the data will be reflected. For that you can actually here IJ. Okay, let's save. Just click on this and refresh. Can you see that 10th got added here? Okay, this is about the live. Even in live, you have to keep refreshing, or you have to be like close and open. That kind of activity you have to do. That only then you will be having the latest data. Okay, this is about the live connection. Let's go back. In this only we can change it to extract. The moment you click on extract, what happens? If you come to sheet, now see, it is asking us to create an extract in our local. That is the difference. So we have to create an extract in our local to have an extract connection. Now save. Now go back. Okay, till 10th record we have, right? Now let's check with the JK. The moment you refresh, even this data will be refreshed. But I will just save and I'll try to reopen the same way we did it for the live. Though it says live, now it is having the extract data connection. How I see the data did not get updated here. It is having till 10. Okay. Now how I will visually, how will I get to know that it is having the extract connection? Now can you see for the extract we will be having 2 cylinders with an arrow mark. Okay, this is the difference. This is the extract visual cue. Okay, what else? Okay, the moment if you refresh, nothing is happening, right? But come here, it is saying use extract is checked. Extract, refresh. The entire content of the, yes, that is what we want. Okay, now it is having 11, 12, 13. Okay, now go back. This is the extract and live difference. And then come back here. Here it says edit. You can actually edit the what is that, extract. There are 2 refreshes you can do. One is full refresh and the other one is incremental refresh. See, here is the, okay, here is that incremental refresh. You can click on this and then table to refresh. It is sheet 1. Based on the ID, it will identify the new records. What is the difference between full refresh and incremental refresh? In case of incremental refresh, only the newly inserted data will be updated. Say suppose if the old records are deleted or updated, that will not be taken care in case of incremental refresh. Only the newly inserted data will be taken care. Okay. Now let's there is one more bar, right, like filter. This one we will see when we come to filter. Okay, for now we will only look at the extract refresh. Now we can say okay, then we'll go here, sheet. Now let's add 40 and oh, okay. Let's delete from here to here. Till 13 we have, right? Yeah. Till 13 we have. We'll delete this. Oh. I have deleted some rows and I have updated this. Okay. Now I will save. Okay. Now come here and then it is having 2 options, incremental and full. Now I'll go with the incremental. Okay. Did you see the difference? Only 14, 15 got added, but I have deleted all these records. That is not being refreshed. Now if I go back and say full refresh. Yes. Now did you see the difference? Okay. I hope you got the difference between full refresh and incremental refresh. When do we go with the full refresh and incremental refresh? Say suppose usually what happens, every weekend we in a real world, every weekend we do the full refresh. On the weekdays we typically go with the incremental refresh if your data is very huge. Okay. And one more thing, all this refresh, right? This can be automated only when you publish the dashboard to the server or cloud. Okay, the moment you publish your work to the server, there you can actually automate all this work. You don't have to every day go and refresh your data source. You don't have to do that. Okay, that is one more point. Okay, what are the advantages of extract connection? Performance will be good, right? Because you will be having you will be taking the data extract, so it is in your local, so the performance will be good. And then offline access to the data. You don't have to connect it to the internet, or your server is, if it is not up and running, then also you can work with the data. And then obviously no need of internet connectivity. What are the disadvantages? In case if you don't refresh your data, then you will be working with the outdated data. Okay, usually in real world, what is that we do? Whether we do we go with the live or extract connection? Usually what happens, since the live connection is a bit slow, we take the extract of the data and then we work with the whatever the data we extracted, and then depending on your user requirement, while we are publishing it to the server, we will change it to live or extract depending on your user. Okay, if you are working with huge amount of data, then probably you will take the snapshot of the data, not the complete data, but probably like 1 year data or 2 year data, like that. Okay, so depending on your use case, you have to choose which one you want. But so far, whatever the project I have worked on, I created the extract and then I have created all the visuals, and then by publishing, we have changed it to live or extract depending on the requirement. This is how we work in the real world. This is about Tableau live and extract mode of connection. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.